guys, over the past couple of years, we've been running this issue a lot, and I figured I'd make a video on it because there's not that many good videos out there about this. But in Outlook 2010, 2016, 2013, we've always come across this issue. When our client tries to search for an email, we get this generic message that pops up that says something went wrong. It couldn't be completed, and it could be a network error. I mean, it could say a dozen different things. And we find, even after recreating the profile, doing a repair install of Office, reinstalling Office, I mean, trying everything, disabling the Exchange cache mode, enabling it, nothing worked until we found this registry to disable the server assistant search. Once we disabled that and restarted the computer after that registry change, everything worked fine. So I'm going to go ahead and show you in this video where we need to go to change that. So the first thing you want to do is go into Registry, Editor, and I already browsed to it, so it'd be quick here. So we need to go ahead and hit Yes. And you need to go to HKey Current User, Software, Microsoft, then Office, 16.0, Outlook, and then Search. If you do not have a registry key called DisableServerAssistedSearch, you might not have that. You might probably have to create it. So you just go down here to New and do New D-word 32-bit value, and then you just type in that disabled thing. But since we already have it, I'm not going to type it in. And then you would, once you create it, you would hit Enter and change that to a 1 and hit OK. So you can see ours up here is 1, and that's where you want it to be. I'm going to delete that because that was just a test. So once you have this key in here and you have it set to 1, go ahead and close out of the registry, restart the computer, and the search will work. Now, if you come across it doesn't work, I do have a couple other things you can try. Like I said, doing that repair install of Office, reinstalling Office if those don't work. Then there is a KB Windows Update for Windows 10 and Windows 7 that causes this to happen, which will be linked in the description of this video. You can also try deleting the Outlook index and seeing if that might fix it. Another thing to try is to see if there's any Outlook plugins like add-ons. I know TeamViewer has one. I mean, there's Constant Contact. I mean, there's tons of them out there. Go through your third-party plugins and disable all of them, and then restart Outlook and see if it works. Another thing to try is to go in Outlook Safe Mode. Now, to get in Outlook Safe Mode, it's as simple as just typing in outlook.exe/safe. That'll run Outlook in safe mode. And I believe you can also do it in, if you go to Run and then put it in there, that'll open up Outlook in safe mode. So you can do that as well. Well, that's it, you guys. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it brought some peace to some people trying to get this issue fixed, because this registry thing I haven't heard about yet, and it did fix our search issue for that particular client. But like I said, once you make that change in the registry editor, you have to restart your computer for that to take effect. And like I said, if this did not fix it, please look in the description of this video. I might have another thing you can try if this didn't work. Another thing is deleting the temp files and the search data out of your program files. So just look at that path in the description, and I hope this helps someone. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.